Triggered.
1, 2, 3, yo. Clocking every day, clocking every night. Not getting any bigger. That's why I was
Triggered.
Was trying to go places. Man, I was booking flights, but that ain't work out either. Nah, can't blame me if I'm triggered. Running, hustling, need it quicker. Going too slow, yo. That's why I'm triggered.
Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can clearly tell, I'm ill again, which is fantastic. But we're not going to let that stop us. Today, I'm going to make the video. I've got another video to make tomorrow. I've got a video to make on Wednesday. I've got a video to make on Saturday. I've got a lot of content to film this week. So you guys are going to get quite a few videos, even though I am practically dying. But it doesn't matter, because I'm really, really excited for this week. So what have I got planned today? Well, I'm going to go and show you what I've been up to with the car. Because if you remember rightly in the previous video, I took off a few bits of chrome on the outside, as well as the inside I de-chromed. And then after that video, I looked outside and I thought I'll take a couple of bits off like around the back lights and see what it looks like. And oh my God, does it look better. So I did half of it, and then I ended up having to go to a show. I had to play 2 shows this weekend, so I didn't have time to finish it, and I've been knackered and I've been ill until today, that is. So today we're gonna finish de-chroming the car. And then as you saw in the intro, we've got a box. That is correct. We've received a car part. What have we received, you asked? We have received a new front grille. Check this out. It's the standard chrome one as well. I got it from a breaker's yard on eBay. They were selling it. I got it for something like £35. It needs a clean, obviously. I'm going to clean it up a bit, and I'm going to take the badge off of my car and replace this one because it's a little bit damaged and cracked here. And the reason I bought it is, as you know, all the clips on mine are snapped, and on this one they are all intact, as you can clearly see. So today we're going to be cleaning that up and fitting that as well. However, I'm also waiting on another package which should be arriving today, which is another part for the car. So if everything is done in the right timing, we should be able to fit both the grille and the new part and de-chrome everything and have yourselves a pretty decent video today. So without further ado, let's make a start. I'm going to show you what I've already done to the car and what I've got left to do with the car. We're going to get that crap de-chromed, and then we're going to whack that bad boy on the front. So as you can see here, I've been quite hard at work getting this chrome off around the light there. I think it looks a lot sleeker, and I've taken all of the one off the boot as well. Let me know what you guys think. I personally prefer it without the chrome pieces, but it was different, it was unique, but it was a bit worn and tired, so it was time to take it off. So what we've got left to do is take this one off, and then once that one's been taken off and I've taken all the adhesive off, we've got to take this badge off as well. But it's just starting to peel off, you know. So I'm going to take that off and clean that up as well, because the other side doesn't have one, so I just don't really like having like one on one side. I'm a bit OCD with that. And then we just have these ones here to take off the front around the number plate, and then we officially de-chromed. Now the problem with this stuff is that when you peel it, it leaves all the adhesive behind. So I've tried spraying some of this product on it, and I'm hoping that it will like kind of seep behind and try and loosen up the adhesive and make it a bit easier to remove. Because when I did the other side, that was not very easy, and I was here for about an hour trying to get all the adhesive off the boot and things like that. It was awful. So hopefully this time, if I let it soak in a little bit, it might make it easier to remove. It might not, because I mean, it's me. When is anything easy for me? This side is now de-chromed as well. I honestly prefer the look without the chrome. It just looks much sleeker. Now I've just got to do the two front bits, but before we do that, I'm sure a lot of you people have just seen, obviously, so I just turned the camera around, I had a UPS driver appear. And you know what that means? That means more parts. Stay, get in. Oi, it's a box, it ain't for you. This is the box I've been waiting on. Shall we do a live unboxing? Let's have a laugh, shall we? Let's do an unboxing video. Alright, let's give this a go, shall we? First off, how's E40? You're the guy who left a comment last time asking about some wind deflectors on the sides. You'll be pleased to know that I've ordered some Hecko wind deflectors. I've ordered some for the front and the back. They're from hecko.pl. Quite excited to put these on, so hopefully if we've got the time, we're going to put these on today. Sorry if you can see my shadow there, but this is what they look like. I've got front and back ones as well. They've come direct from J&J Automotive, so shout out to them for sending these out. They only cost something like £36, I think. Comes with all the fittings and adhesives and things like that, which is really cool. It does have instructions, but hey, I'm a man. We don't need instructions. You just do whatever and hope it works. So let's go and quickly finish off the D-chrome. Then we'll tidy up the grill and whack that on. And if we've got time, we'll whack on the wind deflectors.
Talking every day, talking every night, not getting any bigger. That's why I was triggered. Was trying to go places. Man, I was booking flights, but that ain't work out either. Nah, can't blame me if I'm triggered. Running, hustling, need it quicker. Going too slow, yo, that's why I'm triggered. Clocking every day, clocking every night, not getting any bigger. Nato, that's why I was triggered. I put years to this, I take this serious. Feels like everything I covered. Call me Nick Furious. Going off from fall to summer. I don't know what year it is. What you think that constant failure pushed me, man? It clearly did. You take it, I'm taking it back. Gotta be quicker than that. Go take a look at my hat. Gotta put kinetic kid on the map. I'm trying to do it colossal. That's the reason I put it in caps. Nothing's impossible, yeah. We just saw Diallo jump over Shaq.
Having that de-chromed instantly looks better. Because everything looks much more sleek. The front grille's got 2 bits of chrome on there, but that doesn't matter because that's coming out in a second anyway. Now I'm just going to get a bit of water, splash it over that to clear off all the soap and stuff, same on the back, and then we're officially de-chromed. Right now, let's go tidy up the grill and let's get the new front grill in, because that's one thing that needs to be done because mine keeps falling out.
That's amazing, my dude. Showing the truest of colors. I'm not even successful yet. Damn, I wonder what it will be like when I finally get settled, not begging for checks. Nato, talking every day, talking every night, not getting any bigger. That's why I was triggered.
That'll do for now. That's much cleaner than it was. Now what I'm going to do is change the badge round, because as I said earlier, there's quite a few little cracks and stuff in this one compared to my old one. Put a new badge on and then whack this in the car and see the difference that it makes. So I've run across a slight issue. Not sure how I'm supposed to go from here, but I'll show you what's going on. So over here is the old grill. As you can see, all the clips are broken and all that. But as I took the old badge out, the bolt snapped because it is dreadfully rusty, as you can quite clearly see here. Got the badge out. As you can see, it's in much better condition on the front than the one that came with the new grill. But now I've got no way of fixing it because of this bolt snapping. The thread is actually on the badge on the other one. But as you can see here, it's all quite cracked and smashed and all that crap. I've given it a quick clean. It doesn't look too bad now. It looks quite nice. I will give it a proper clean when I wash the car during the week. But now I'm stuck with how on earth I'm supposed to fix that badge to here. I'll update you guys as I move along and I try and find out what I'm going to do with this. Okay, so I've just finished having some lunch, just chilled out, a quick drink and a bite to eat. What I've decided to do is I'm going to wait until my dad gets back home from wherever he is. He's disappeared somewhere again. So I don't want to go out and buy any kind of adhesive or anything like that, or any kind of silicone. If he's got some laying around, that will save me some money. So I'm going to wait for him to come home, ask him if he's got any, and if that's the case, whack some of that onto the badge, some of the waterproof sealant as well. Get it in place. It can only go in one place because it's got 2 little clips that clip in as well. And then that way, that can go on there. It will be waterproof. Shouldn't have any other issues with water getting behind it and ruining it. And then we can attack the wind deflector things. I forgot what they were called and I had a brain fart. So as you can see, my dad finally arrived home. I love this car of his. I absolutely adore this car. I'm so jealous that he has this model. I had an estate model for a little while, but this model is just something about it. It just looks so nice. But in any case, we've done it. We finally got the grille on. Looks 10 times better in my opinion with those chromes on it. Like, look at that. Pucker. As for this badge, what we end up doing was using some 3M adhesive tape behind it. So like they're like pads instead of like double-sided tape. Because I thought if I use tape, then it probably will end up going funny when it gets wet. So my dad said to try using these adhesive pads, so that's what we've done. We'll see how long it lasts until I can order a new badge, so then I can just bolt it on like normal. But it definitely looks a lot better. So for these next few clips, unfortunately, there's not really a lot to see, as I didn't understand what the instructions were saying on the wind deflectors. It didn't really make a lot of sense, the pictures and the writing. I think it was just maybe badly translated. So I asked my dad to come and give me a hand. It's the first time you see my dad on the channel. I mean, you're going to see his back, but you know, pretty much the same thing, right? But in any case, what's actually going on here is we're trying to fit the back wind deflectors because they're supposed to be easier. So we whack the back ones on, and as you can see here, we're about to fit the back one, and then we're going to move over to the front one, and then we do the same thing on the other side. But I didn't film the other side because there wasn't much point. For something that is such a low cost mod, it makes such a big difference to any car. My brother's got some on his car, my dad has them on his 4x4, and I've always wanted them for this, and now that I've got some on the Stilo, I would never go back. They look absolutely incredible. They make a big difference, but it's also very subtle. It's not something garish that stands out to everybody. Only the keen-eyed people will notice that they've been put on there because they're quite sleek. Anyway, back to me from earlier on. And here we have it, guys, after about 20 minutes fitting. It didn't take that long, but we finally got them fitted. Look at this. It looks so much nicer. You can see me. What's up? Subtle modifications, that's what I love. Just the little things, and I think these look amazing. They don't stick out like a mental case, because if you look on my brother's car, he's got some, but they stick out like ridiculous amounts. Again, it's a different design, 4x4s and stuff. Halsey, mate, you are right. They are really nice. And like I showed earlier on, they're from Hecko. So shout out to Team Hecko, look at that. So as well as them, we've got the new front grille on as well, which is fantastic. Front grille looks so much nicer now. Just the little things, that's what matters to me. The little things that make the subtle changes. It makes it my own, you know. Damn, they look good. In any case, that is it for this video. The new grille's fitted with the new badge. Also got the wind deflectors fitted as well. We've de-chromed all the outside and the inside in the last 2 videos, which is really good. Things are slowly coming together. Slowly but surely. Looking absolutely amazing back there. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to demolish the like button down below. Always helps me out, and I love reading comments, so make sure you leave a comment as well. Let me know of any little mods that you've done to your car that you have just never looked back on. I'd love to know. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Boy!
Talking every day, talking every night, not getting any bigger. That's why I was triggered. Was trying to go places, man, I was booking flights, but that ain't work out either. Now you blame me if I'm triggered. Running, hustling, need it quicker, going too slow, yo, that's why I'm triggered.